To support this channel, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment.
How to prepare and use rice water for hair growth. If you want to strengthen your hair and get all the above benefits to make it look healthier and more beautiful than ever, there is nothing better than to start using this rice water as your regular hair treatment. The properties and benefits of rice water for hair. Fermented rice water is a liquid very rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins B, D and E, calcium, iron, fiber, potassium, magnesium and zinc, which among other things help in natural hair care from the inside. Hair growth, and it looks much stronger, softer and shinier. To achieve this, you simply need to follow the following recipe for making rice water for hair. How to make rice water for hair step-by-step recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rice, 4 cups of mineral or distilled water. Preparation: pour water into a pan or pot and put it on the fire. Wait until the water starts to boil. When it reaches the boiling point, add the rice and let it cook for about 20 minutes on low heat. After this time, drain the rice and store the liquid left over from cooking in a glass container such as a bottle. This liquid will beautify and strengthen the hair. Once cooled, you can keep them in the fridge until you use them as a rice water hair mask. If you keep it in the fridge, you can store and use it for about 7 days. How to use rice water for hair growth and thickness. First, shampoo your hair as usual and rinse. You use the rice water you prepared as a hair rinse. Pour the rice water over the hair or the areas you want to treat and massage with your fingers so that it penetrates well into the hair fibers. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. After this time, rinse your hair with plenty of warm water and that's it.